Roto North America currently has 2 manufacturing plants and 2 external warehouses. The first plant is in Chester, Connecticut and is about 70,000 square feet. The other plant is in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada and is about 50,000 square feet. Both warehouses are in the USA.
As the President and CEO, I'm responsible for overseeing all operations and business activities, responsible for the supervision of the overall business strategy and success. I work to ensure strategy alignment with objectives, keep abreast of the market and industry trends, make investment decisions to match supply and demand. To that end, continue to invest in our manufacturing and warehouse infrastructures in the Americas to acquire, upgrade, and maintain physical assets such as property, plants, buildings, technology, or equipment in order to increase the scope of our operations.
The Chester plant specializes in manufacturing of casement window hardware. The manufacturing processes in this plant are injection molding, flexible stamping, 5-axis laser cutting, riveting, assembly, and packaging. Due to our growth, we have added a new 5-axis laser machine to our plant this year. Our current laser machines run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our unique process for cutting the operator arms with lasers hardens the teeth on the arms, which gives it longer life. We've been manufacturing hardware in Connecticut for over 40 years.
As the Director of Sales in North America, my ultimate role is to provide a platform of leadership for our sales, customer service, and marketing teams. Providing Roto's customers with a value proposition that is positive is extremely important, and thus there is emphasis on our 2 manufacturing plants, strategically located in Chester, Connecticut and Mississauga, Ontario. The local manufacturing capabilities allow for enhanced reliability of delivery service performance and quality performance of the products. Roto North America strives to create and deliver superior customer value for the window and door manufacturers throughout the United States and Canada.
The Mississauga plant specializes in sliding patio door hardware, and the manufacturing process for this plant includes zinc die casting, powder painting, machining, stamping, assembly, and packaging. Roto has recently invested in 4 new automated die casting machines and a new powder paint line. We've been supplying hardware for over 60 years.
So our job as business support processes is at first to support financial stability and financial planning security. We have to provide financial resources to run the business and support the potential growth. Manufacturing needs financial resources to invest in new technologies and machines. On the other hand, we provide the transparency that production needs to run the business and the executive management team to make decisions. As the person responsible for IT, we are providing the necessary infrastructure to run the business. We invest constantly into our security and technology to be up to date. Our legal team is supporting production and sales with giving advice for new or existing agreements.
As the Director of Product Engineering and Sales Engineering, I am responsible for all product adaptations and new developments. In the PI department, we apply creativity, ingenuity, and innovation to achieve better, more efficient and quality products that surpass customers' expectations. We have a highly experienced design engineering team in both North American facilities, focused on our core product groups, such as casement windows and sliding doors. We are a key element and support our constant, stringent quality control department, ensuring that we find and eliminate any potential issues before any product reaches our customers. Our ongoing testing works almost 24 hours per day, 7 days a week to cycle, salt spray and hardware load test our products to exceed market requirements. Our sales engineering team are the direct technical support to our customers in order to make sure that any product changes or our new products are introduced smoothly into the market. Not only do they provide technical support to our customers, but vital feedback to our design engineers. Our engineers also provide ongoing support to our manufacturing plant, improving lean manufacturing and shortening production times while maintaining the highest quality.
One of the advantages of being a global company is that we're able to draw from the experience of our sister companies and the team from headquarters in Germany. We have experts in coatings, automation, and we have a great global sourcing group that works with our companies around the world.